Yes, lads, Wagwan. This is part 3. Car's got more problems. We're at the shop picking up some parts. In the last episode, we fixed an oil leak, and well, now we've got to fix another. The transmission's leaking oil, so we're gonna have to fix that. Right, we got the stuff. We got the stuff, and we're out of here. I had me waiting in there for a bit. They couldn't find the part or the stuff that I needed, but they ended up giving me a more expensive thing. And they said, "Oh, I'd have to pay," so that's okay. I'm gonna hear a whole lot of rattling in the back here now. Cans clinging and clanging. See what I mean? Namanima, namanamane, namanina, namanamane, mise, 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 mise. Oh, but the mise me, mise me, manamina, manamane. Did you not know that song, GTA? Some of you get it. Was that me? That's me if I was a bit faster. And they've got this silver trim as well. I don't have that silver trim. I got it like on my grill. I ain't got it on like the bumper guards though. Anyway, let's speed travel, because I'm about to do some naughty driving and can't record all that. I was thinking, let's just get some oil here, pour it in there, and just, you know what I mean. So got the car up on the ramps and I secured it with some jack stems and stuff. Wasn't easy, but you know. I've already cleaned the whole area. I didn't record it. I just went crazy with the brake cleaner. But there's pretty much all over the place and all over this sump. I'm just gonna try and loosen the nut that is too tight, as it is on every car. Every time it's always too tight. Some prick with a drill tightens it too much. So yeah, I'm just working on getting the sump off and draining the oil that way instead. Give me that screw so I can't get it again. So here I'm just loosening half of it so I can let the oil spill out, because I can't get it out through the drain plug because it's seized. Oh shit. Oh, that's fucking heavy, man. Shit. Oh. Oh shit, did you see that? You can stand there, you dirty bitch. I can't oil around. It's quite nice. Hot transmission. Let's get out of here. Okay. Okay, man. I don't really know what I'm looking for. Oh, that looks okay. I'm not supposed to check for metal particles. Do you see any? Or does that look good to you? Let's get on this crap. Alright, so at the moment I'm just looking for little particles. It's supposed to be like pieces of clutch and stuff. But I mean, to me it looks okay. And the gasket, because I'm thinking it's the gasket that's causing the leak. Could be something else. The gear selector connector thing. The gasket doesn't really seem bad to me. Maybe it wasn't the gasket that was leaking. I don't know, what do you think? It's still nice and flimsy. There's no cracks. And this is a magnet. don't know, does that look bad? Black, man. Is that metal? It's an old car, it's bound to. I don't know. Well, I'm going to clean it now. In the area. So that was up and I flicked it down. I think that's where it's leaking from. So I did some research and on these cars, this part specifically, which changes gears and stuff, is bound for failure. So that's what was leaking. As you can see, this little shit. Oh, my arm's burning, man. Right, that's the gear electronic connector or transmission. It's for the gearbox, shift gears and stuff. I don't remember which way this is facing, but it was like that. I think I can just take this off my hand. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I don't have anything else to catch that. Yeah. Okay, let's get out of here. So that's the difference. That's the similarity. But this one's bound for failure. This one isn't. I'm just clearing this off. Much more bendy. What do you think? Here's the oil filter. There's a little clip right there, which you have to kind of like plug it in and then just pop it in. And this is the electrical connector. I gave it a spray down and now I'm putting this new part in there. It also comes with new screws and stuff, which is good because I read the forms and they say if you use the old ones then it might leak through the screws. So that's nice. Right, with all the new parts on, it's time to put the pan back on and seal it properly by placing and tightening the bolts from the middle first and then out. That will help the pan stick to the gasket and seal properly. And this is the car after. How clean that is. It used to be in such a mess. I don't know what was wrong with it. Now look clean. Yeah, man. Alright. That's it. Alright, there's not much information on how to measure your fluid if you had an oil leak, so I want to show you what you need. You need a bucket, funnel, something to measure in, like one of the cans you're going to use to keep it fresh fluid, and the pan you coat everything in. Once you've done that, just put the old oil through the funnel into say the 1 litre container that like I've got here. Every time it's full it's a litre, and then once you've got no more oil, then you know, well in my case it was 1.9 litres and I need 4.5. It just says on the manual for the car. Your car could be different. So I leaked about 2.5 litres of oil, and now I've got to put in 4.5. Is that good, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, I've got to cycle the gears. So I've got to keep it in each gear for a couple of seconds. Alright, so we did it. So I got 1.9.
1.9 litres?
1.9 litres come out the pan, so I'm just going to say about 2 litres approximately.
Yeah.
So I've put, the car actually needs 4.5 excluding the torque converter. Just put in 3 at the moment, and that's more than what it had in there originally. So I'm not going to fill it up anymore, but I do know now I need 1.5 litres to get it to where it should be.
Well, once it's warmed up, can you measure it again?
Yeah, so once we go for a good drive, I'll measure it again, and then I'll see
Where it's at.
And try and go from there. Engine light's still on, yeah. Come and go, but it's the it says camshaft position sensor ting on ting, so that's why it goes ooh, but when it's cold it's all right, but when it's hot it's a bit. So that's just the camshaft sensor or the mass airflow, but the mass airflow sensor's gone and it's just the camshaft sensor now. No more misfire, nothing. But that was the main issue, the electric conductor connector. Changed it and I've added new oil and stuff. The leak should stop now, should be no leak. So I changed the filter, the ting on ting, and the something. But I got one malfunction. That's okay.
The gasket.
Gasket, filter, electric connector. Cleaned it all out of stuff as well. Electric connector fluid, and all that good shit. So it should be solid now. No more leak. It's got the new part. Big job, big man ting, big shack. Shout out Muffy. Shout out Bub. Done now. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and please leave a comment. I appreciate you watching. Next video will be about fixing something else entirely, because the fun never ends. Yeah.